Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7beats and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a really nice afropop slash afrobeat. Make sure to check out my most recent afrobeat sample pack, the link is in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So I'm gonna start off with some chords from Analog Lab. So the first chord will be this one. This one. This one. And this one. So right now I draw in the keys. These chords just have a really nice feel to it, and I'm going to add a guitar melody on top of this one. So I'm going to create this guitar melody and just start with this D. Some guitar melody will just follow the original chords from the Rhodes. And I'm going to use some 1/3 notes, so 1/3 step. And right now the piano roll is set to 1/3. So right now I can add the notes like this, and I'm going to this one, this one. That also sounds really nice. Just a note right here, maybe there and there. And the progression will go down like this. That's really awesome, so I'm going to duplicate this one and maybe also add some 1/3 notes right here. That's really nice, and right now I'm going to play around with the velocity. As you can see and hear, I've added a really short note before this A sharp, this one. I think this adds a really nice vibe to the melody. So right here. So I think right now this melody is done, and I'm going to add another one. So I'm going to add another ample guitar TC. And I think this preset sounds really awesome for creating a really bouncy and short melody. So I'm going to copy the notes from my Rhodes. Just make the notes shorter. I think this adds a really nice bounce to the beat. And I'm going to add a harp. So I'm going to use Heat Up for this one. Harp. And I'm just going to use the classic one. So I'm going to duplicate my chords once again. And I'm going to add some low notes right here. Like this. This one. So this is just another layer to the beat. And I think I'm going to add another kalimba. So I'm going to use Omnisphere. So I found this really awesome coffee can kalimba preset. And I'm going to duplicate my chords again. Add them and make the notes a little bit shorter. Just a really awesome and simple layer. So right now I'm going to add a simple drum pattern. And right now I'm going to add a simple basic kick. So on beat. All these drums are included in my Afrobeat sample pack. And I'm just going to create a really basic rhythm. And right now, last but not least, I'm going to add a bass line. So I'm going to use this bass from 3 You can copy this preset, just really simple. 2 sine waves and 1 pitched up 12 semitones, and lower the volume, and you can create a really awesome bass which really fits the afropop or afrobeat style. And right now we're just going to copy these notes and then right here. Fits really well together with all the melodies. And I'm going to add the shaker loop for my most recent Afrobeat sample pack. So I think this beat already sounds really awesome, and right now I'm going to finish this beat, create an arrangement, mix and master, and show you the end result. So right now this beat is finished, and I think it's a little bit similar to Joro from Wizkid, which is a really awesome track by the way. And right now I'm just going to guide you to this project. So So just guitar and the harp is playing. Now the Kalimba chords are coming in. So right now the bass are coming in and the Rhodes are coming in again. So this is the first part of the track, and I think the melodies and the drums are really well arranged. So first, just the guitar and the chords are playing, and right here I've added this really awesome effect. So I'm going to play the effects. Which fits really well together with the melodies and the sounds. And right here I've added another drum loop. So this one combined with this one. And right here I left out the groovy guitar, but the main guitar is coming in again. And right here I used the first part of the drum pattern and switched up the kick pattern. Right here I switch up the bass pattern. And right here the beat is basically just repeating. And right here is repeating again, and this is the outro. So right here I use the cutter filter. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out my Afrobeat sample pack. Also make sure to let me know in the comments what type of beat or tutorial you want to see in my next video. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.